Introducing Nelspray's APT, that's short for Alternating Pulse Technology. Including our APT control system in our latest spray gun development enabled us to eliminate striping distance. We achieved this with sequence spray gun firing. This spray bar is running at 50 Hz. Nice, right? APT is currently turned off. Now watch what happens as we slow the frequency down. This is striping distance, where the guns are firing in unison. Now let's switch on APT. The spray guns are alternating, and the increased control APT offers has eliminated striping distance. Benefits include constant spraying during high-speed production. Our APT control can reduce, and in some cases eliminate, your spray bar off time. Now, let's increase the frequency back to 50 Hz with APT on. Still no striping distance. Learn more at nelspray.com and follow us on LinkedIn for regular updates.